Hello, everyone. It's me, Miss Hall. And me, Franny Fox. Welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words. I'm so glad everybody's here. Thanks for coming in, Franny. Could you start by reading the learning target with the students? Oh, yes. Say it with me, kids. I can identify specific sounds and words. Great job, everyone. Our first activity is going to be Give Me 5. I'm going to say a word. You're going to try to come up with 5 words that rhyme with my word. Make-believe words are okay too. Franny, can you tell them what our first word is? Yes. Our word for today is dash. Dash. Try to think of 5 words that rhyme with dash. I think I'm ready. Miss Hall, will you tell the students your fun words that rhyme with dash? Yeah, here they are. Bash, cash, hash, sash, and gash. Those are my 5 words. Did any of you have the same words as Miss Hall? How cool. You guys are so smart with rhyming words. Great job. Now for our next activity, I am going to say a word. You're going to say what the first sound you hear is. Are you ready? All right, let's give it a try. Shampoo. What's the first sound you hear? Shh. That's right. Shh. Chest. What's the first sound you hear? Ch. Good job. Ch. Whirl. What's the first sound you hear? Woo. Good job. Woo. Short. What's the first sound you hear? Shh. Good job. Shh. Third. What's the first sound you hear? Good job. Let's do one more word. Chewing. What's the first sound you hear in chewing? Ch. Good job. Ch. Awesome job identifying the first sound you hear in words. Now for our next activity, we're going to get our choppers out. I love this one. I love to chop all the sounds and words. So do I. It really helps with spelling too. I'm going to say a word. You are going to chop all the sounds you hear in the word. Here's our first one. Oh, wait, we're going to chop it. And when Franny does this, you're going to put it together and say what the word is. I messed that one up. So here we go. Listen carefully. Sh, o, z. Shells. Good job. That was a long one. Ch, o, k. Choke. W, t. What? Ink. Think. Let's do one more. Chief. Chief. Awesome job putting all the sounds together in a word to make a word. Now, for our next activity, we are going to identify the middle sound we hear in a word. Oh, yay. So I'm going to say a word. Franny's going to jump up for the middle sound. You're going to listen carefully and then say what that middle sound is. Are you ready? Oh, yes, I love to jump. All right, here we go. Add. What's the middle sound? Ah. That's right, ah. Rib. What's the middle sound? R. That's right, r. B-op. What's the middle sound? Ah. Good job, ah. Yum. What's the middle sound? Ah. Awesome job identifying the middle sounds. Thanks for helping out with that one, Franny. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You are going to repeat it and then chop it into all its individual sounds. Are you ready? Say third. Now chop third. D. Good job. Say shade. Now chop shade. A D. Good job. Say then. Now chop then. Good job. Let's do one more. Say cheese. Now chop cheese. Ch-e-z. Great job breaking a word down into all its individual sounds. For our next activity, we are going to start with a word. I'll tell you the first sound to change. When Franny does this, you are going to say what our new word is. Are you ready? Say med. Change to f. Fed. Say fed. Change f to b. Bed. Say bed. Change b to r. Red. Let's do another one. Say red. Change r to sh. Shed. Awesome job changing the first sound in a word to make a new word. Now for our next activity, we are going to start with the rhyme or end of the word. I'll tell you the first sound to add. When I do this, you're going to say what our new word is. Here we go. Say ed. Add sh. Shed. Say at. Add v. That. Say I. Add who. Why. Say air. Add ch. Chair. Great job starting with the rhyme of a word, adding a first sound, and say what the word is. For our last activity, we are going to start with a word. I'll tell you the first sound to take away. And when I go like this, you're going to say the rhyme that's left. Are you ready? Say fish. Say it without ish. Say think. Say it without ink. Say chest. Say it without ch. Est. Let's do one more. Say wheat. Say it without woo. Eat. Great job taking away the first sound in a word and saying the rhyme of the word that's left. That's all we have for today, friends. Thanks for joining in, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Me either. I hope everybody has a super great day. See you next time.